Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. If you have any questions, comments, or surplus machinery you would like to sell, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or by dialing 630-229-6705. For an up-to-date list of machines, visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com or subscribe to this channel. In addition to what is on our website, we have 50 plus machines being processed as our inventory changes daily, so check back often as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Also remember that our full inventory is located in-house and that we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. We are going to take a look at a loaded, low-hour Biesse Regal 53-inch dual head, dual segmented Platen wide belt sander. This is a well-maintained, low-use loaded sander. Cosmetically and mechanically, it is in excellent plus condition. It features a 53-inch capacity with dual heads with segmented Platens on both heads. The first head features a 2.5-inch wide Platen on its segmented head and sports dual speeds, while the second head features not only a 5-inch wide Platen, but a chevron-style moving felt along with a segmented Platen and user-selectable speeds via a VFD. On the left-hand side of the machine, you're going to find an auto-calibrating thickness unit. On the rear side of the machine, you will find a VFD. That VFD controls the speeds of both the feed mat and your second head. We're going to do a quick overview of the touchscreen controls on this machine. Upon powering the machine up, after it boots, this is the screen you're going to get. As you can tell right here, these are your programs. And you can change these programs, rename them, manipulate them how you need to for your workflow. Right, we're going to go into this menu right here. This is going to tell you that this machine has been powered on for 3,133 hours currently. 146 of those hours are run hours. This is resettable, so right here is going to tell you what you've run, and this is going to be a histogram. First head, second head. If we hit that first head, the histogram for belt wear is going to come up. So if you want to know how good your abrasive belt is, or how long it's been in the machine, or what's left of it, this is going to give you the history of that belt. It's a really, really nice feature. And as you can tell, the data is going to change for each one as well. They're matched because they both run together. We're going to close out of this. This is the main control for the function of the machine, and as you can see, we are in that #1 program, which was veneer. You can change the program by just entering a number here in case your operator doesn't want to go back. Additionally, you could just close out and go back as well. Up top, you can choose your grit for each one of those heads, and this is your first head, second head, brush, and then these obviously are your air wands, so in feed, out feed. Right here, this is for your first head. You can control the speed. That's a dual speed motor, so you're going to have 2 speeds on that first head. Your second head, however, runs off of VFD, so you're going to be able to run any speeds within the perimeters of that VFD. You do have air wands. Of course, you can control the perimeters of those as well. Those are basically our abrasive cleaners. Now right here, these are for your Platens. Both of these heads have segmented Platens. And the controls are the same, but obviously you can change them for each one. You have your timers. This is going to basically show you what the options you're choosing. You can do pad down. You have the option of doing your full Platen, You can do your partial platen. You can choose if it has an open center. This right here was your motor speed again. And right here, this is so you can choose your PSI on that platen. You actually can change it right here. It all changes right off your touchscreen. Again, if we go into the second head, you're gonna see the same menu, same controls. Down here, this is the perimeters that are in here for this program. However, you can adjust them up, off of here as well. So you can choose to go up or down. You can also choose to dial in, let's say you want to go to 1.5 inches, you hit OK. Now it's not going to go to 1.5 inches until you actually hit start. Back here you have your controls to turn your brush on and off, your air wands or panel cleaner air wands on or off, and all of your adjustments there. And of course you could change your belt speed, your feed mat speed that is. And this here, if you heard me click it on, sorry, that was our compressor purging air. This right here is for your vacuum. And remember that vacuum does mount to the top of this machine. So we are gonna hit start. You're gonna see everything come up right here. Your first head just started. Your second head just started. As you can tell, it did adjust your height. The feed mat has turned on. A full set of manuals, dust manifold, dust tubing, leg leveling pads, and a second set of platens are included with this machine. And remember, that vacuum does sit on top of the machine and does not take up any floor space. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.